Hey guys, this is Chris Time. Welcome to the channel. And today we're going to be taking a look at some Amazon items that I found for your third gen Chevy Colorado. Let's go. So I've had this truck for a few weeks now, and so far I am loving it. Now I did find some Amazon essentials because Amazon, you get free 2-day shipping, sometimes even 1-day shipping for Prime members, and prices on Amazon aren't really that bad. Sometimes you can get stuff for cheap and the quality is most of the time it's good. So yeah, I'm gonna be sharing some items that I found on Amazon that are well worth the money. First up is a key fob sleeve because key fobs are expensive to replace. No one wants to spend over $500+ for just a key fob replacement. Also, it looks nice. Next up is what I consider a must-have for all vehicles, which is a dash cam. This model in particular is from Torvo. It supports up to 4K video recording. Footage is crystal clear, and it also has night vision, audio recording, emergency recording, collision detection, and a rear camera. Jesus, lady, what the f? Jesus Christ, truck. So this is a complete darkness test to see the night vision on this dash cam. So obviously we're off-roading right now and it's just pitch black out. The only light that is emitting is from my headlights. And now if I turn off my headlights, this is what it looks like, just complete darkness. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it back on. This is with the headlights turned on. And then I hid the wires in here in this little pillar right here so that the wires, you won't be able to see the wires. So they're down here, pretty much all the way here. And you don't even, like I said, you don't even see the wires because it's hidden behind this. I ran it through here. Now underneath this weather strip, that's where I put the wiring. It comes out here, right underneath your floor mat, because this does have to connect to a 12 volt. I even managed to stick it underneath here, all the way. All the way here, underneath. And it comes out right here. So I have all the extra wiring. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's in there. Can't put it right here because of the sliding glass. Another product that you should get on Amazon is this screen protector. I don't know what it says, but it's just tempered glass for your infotainment screen as well as your digital display right here. For the infotainment screen, I've already installed it, so there's a nice cutout for the volume knob, and it fits just perfect, and it's protecting your screen from getting all these scratches. So when you're detailing the inside of your car, you're wiping your screen, you're preventing the screen from getting scratches, as well as your odometer right here. This is the piece that goes right there in your digital dash. One thing I do suggest is use the stickers that came with it, because if you just did it without the stickers and you try adjusting it, this is what's gonna happen. So now I have to buy another one. I don't like the feeling of this material here. I feel like if my arm was dirty, it's basically a dirt magnet. So it's gonna just latch on this material, and this material doesn't feel very nice. It's not leather or plastic, it's like pleather, and I just don't like the feeling. So what I did find was this product, and I like the red stitching because it is gonna match the red stitching that's already inside of the vehicle. So it's basically just a sleeve that you put over like so. So it slides right on just like that. It's held on by these elastic things. And it feels and looks so much better. I mean, I feel like there's too much going on in this area right here. I feel like if they just kept this red stitching and over here and just got rid of this middle piece, I feel like it'll look a lot better. But overall, I mean, it looks and feels so much better. Now I can rest my arm here without having to feel this weird fabric material. Another product I found is these little bag hooks. So you just put it behind your headrest and it looks like this. It's for like carrying bags. Now for the truck, I only put the 2 in because this comes in a pack of 4. So I'm gonna put 2 here and then the other 2 on the 11th gen Honda Civic. Anytime you buy a vehicle from the dealer, it doesn't matter where you buy from. They always put their dealership name on their license plate cover. I'm not someone who will drive around advertising for free. That's why I got a silicone license plate cover. It's clean and it looks better, and I'm not a free ad for a dealership. Some would even put a sticker on the rear, which I absolutely hate. Another item I got off Amazon are these blacked out Chevrolet letters. Only thing I don't like about these is it's so hard getting this protective film off. I literally had to use tweezers to get them off. Since my truck already came with black emblems, I decided to complete the look with these stick-on black lettering. Now, if you were to get these at the dealer, you're looking to spend around $100. I got these on Amazon and these were only a fraction of the price and they look awesome. Next are these gloss black door handles. Sticking with the black accent theme here, they're just stick-ons with double-sided tape. The only complaint that I have is the fitment isn't 100%. It's about 90-95%. As you can see, there's like blue stuff right there and over here. It does leave this cut out for when you want to unlock and lock your door, as well as the keyhole cut out. Going to the rear, same thing. This part is showing, as well as this part right there. Other than that, from far away, looks pretty damn good. Next, we have running boards. This is especially good for those short kings out there, including myself. At just 5 foot 6 inches, I have to hop in and out of my pickup, and it just looks awkward. With running boards, I can easily get in and out of my truck, plus it makes it look better in my opinion. Not only for me, but also for my passengers. Easy to install, and if you want, I can make a separate installation video of these running boards. Going over here, we have the tonneau cover. It's a soft cover, and it's really good. It prevents water from getting in, and it's more aerodynamic. This tonneau cover is really good because it covers everything. Look, there's literally no light shining through, and this is pretty solid. So the way that you unlock it is you have to pull on this. It pops open like that, and then you can roll it. Let me put this on wide angle. Roll the tonneau cover just like that. And then you can clip it together because the clip just hangs down here. You can just latch it on just like that, so that if you have anything in your truck bed, this won't come flying open, or it's not gonna fly off. And it's pretty secure. It's really easy to install. It comes with these rails right here, and it's Velcro, so that it won't let any moisture in. And yeah, this is what my truck bed looks like. Of course, we have our bungee cables, because you never know when you're gonna need it. I usually strap, whenever I'm taking my e-bike with me, I usually just strap it on using the bungee cables, and it's really convenient to have. And yeah, this looks really nice. And then if I wanted to close this up, if I have anything in my truck bed, I can easily just close it up like that and just lock it in place like this. There you go. Alright guys, hopefully you found some of these items useful. Like I said, I'll be linking everything down below in the description, so be sure to check that out. Also, in my previous video, I've upgraded the halogen bulbs that were on this car stock to LASFIT LED lights. So if you haven't already, the video will be right here. And if you're interested in any of the LASFIT products, use my discount code CTFK7 for an additional 10% off. And for a limited time only, there's going to be an additional 20% off if you click the link down below. Hopefully you guys like this video, because if you did, be sure to hit that like button and then comment down below what you guys think of this video, or if you have any future suggestions on what kind of videos that I should be making on my channel. Thank you all for watching. This is Chris time, and peace out.